Hey guys, my name is MEGHANA REPAKA and I'm the co-founder and executive president of Young Inquisitive Minds. As one of the presidents and CFO, I organize events, take care of budgeting for each lesson, curate the science and math lessons, and overlook local, global, and marketing operations. I also arrange meetings and communicate with local specialists to make sessions more tailored to the audience we serve. To help market and spread the word about individuals with disabilities, I have worked with my team to create an awareness project called Embracing Special Needs. Through this project, we were able to create a video campaign as well as a blog where I've interviewed and discussed with various bloggers and social media influencers to create a safe virtual environment where people's stories could be heard. I started Young Inquisitive Minds with my partner as a way to interact and share my STEM knowledge with kids who weren't given the same opportunity as the general education kids. After our first program at the Santa Clara Recreation Services, the positive response has made me work harder to create a greater and lasting impact on my community.
Hi everyone, my name is NITHILA POONGOVAN. I'm the co-founder and executive president of Young Inquisitive Minds. As one of the presidents, I organize events, create the technology and engineering lesson plans, and oversee all sponsorship and grant operations. I help make opportunities more accessible to the young special needs community in Bay Area. Through our recent video campaign, An Inclusive World, I worked alongside with an award-winning animator in London, the Santa Clara Mayor, and the Santa Clara Youth Council to display a video promoting further integration of kids with special needs into school communities. My partner and I noticed a disparity in STEM resources given to the special education community. Living in Bay Area, one of the most technologically advanced places in the world, we are surprised to learn that most special education students have not experienced STEM activities in the past. Given our background and our passion for different STEM activities, we took it into our own hands and started working relentlessly on our mission to make STEM resources accessible to all students in special education in Bay Area. Our goal is to have worked with every special education student in Bay Area within the next 4 years.
My name is Thomas Matthew, and I am one of the local outreach coordinators of Young Inquisitive Minds. So the reason why I decided to join Young Inquisitive Minds was because I love working with the special needs community, and I believe that YIM is just a great organization and has a lot of potential to help this specific community. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is KAITLYN. I am one of the 2 local outreach coordinators at Young Inquisitive Minds. My role as a local outreach coordinator is to reach out to local organizations to help plan and organize STEM-related events for the special needs community. I first joined Young Inquisitive Minds because I love working with the special needs community and making them feel loved and appreciated. I can't wait to see what this year has in store for Young Inquisitive Minds.
Hello, my name is Ayan Hong, and I'm a Global Outreach Coordinator at Young Inquisitive Minds. My role consists of reaching out to officials and organizations across the globe to coordinate special needs related activities and programs. I was inspired to join Young Inquisitive Minds because I wanted to be part of a group that is able to make a difference in the lives of students with disabilities.
Hi, my name is ARCHANA MUCHARLA and I'm in charge of marketing at Young Inquisitive Minds. I essentially create content and manage our online presence. I think Young Inquisitive Minds just has such a powerful mission and impact, and when I initially learned about the organization, I started to recognize the incredible educational privilege that I grew up with and the resources at my doorstep. I joined because I wanted to support and empower the groups that don't get that much support in my community. And I think it was especially meaningful because we were powering them through STEM and through learning.
Hi, I'm SAHANA and I'm the treasurer of Young Inquisitive Minds. I think what inspired me to join Young Inquisitive Minds was the work they were doing in both the district and with the students at Santa Clara High, and the tremendous amount of passion that they put into their work. I'm looking forward to what's to come.